Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, Professor. I'm going to explain about what is the access CRUD. First of all, we're going to start with the access at. As we can see here, we have an if that calls the class ACL that we had seen in class, and we sent three lists of roles, resources, and access. Access because we are going to comprove in the add HTTP that it doesn't exist. In the case of this exists, we're going to see an alert that will say us that the access exists now. And the other two lists is because of we're going to have selects, and we're going to show us the name, and we're going to send to the add the ID of the role or to the source. Then in our class delete is not too much, it's only receiving the parameter of the ID, then calling this method delete and redirect us to the index of the access. Then this is a controller edit. It's the same or kind of same of the access add, because we sent as we seen the other again three lists. Why? Because we are gonna to comprove again that when we did the access it doesn't gonna to repeat, and again we have seen here the alert that will advise us that the access exists. Then the access controller index that we can see here to see in the table about the access that exists, the name of the role, the name of resource, and etc. The view is not too much as we had seen. We received the parameter ID and sent the roles, the resources, basically to comprove the IDs we have in the access, and in this way to show the name. We're going to see it at the in functionality in the web page. As we can see here, as you can see here, there is the table of all the access we have created, and we're gonna create a new one. We're going to create an administrator, and we'll see, billing. This access is already exist, but to show you the script that I have mentioned before, we're going to create again. As we can see here, the alert has showed saying that este access existed. Yeah, it's because it's true. On usuario, we're gonna permit to see roles. Create access, and we search where is usuario role. We're gonna see, and you're gonna show us this table that we have all the data of this access, and we're gonna edit. And here we're gonna change to administrator, and here to billing. This is edit, don't forget that. And as we can, and as say before, it has or show another alert that say us that this access is already existing, and we can, in this way we can create two similar access in our project. Thanks.